everyone, and welcome back to Craft Time after Rhyme Time with Miss Nucha. Today is the letter D, and in Craft Time today, D is going to be for dinosaur, and we're going to learn how to make a dinosaur handprint. We're going to trace our hand, or we can even paint our hand and stick it on the page. We're going to rotate our hand upside down, and then we're going to make our thumb, the head, we're going to draw on a tail, and the rest are legs, and it's going to be so much fun. So all you need today, piece of paper, something to draw with. If you have paint, we can paint our hands, but that's up to you, whatever you have in your house. So let's go get our art supplies and get started. For your handprint dinosaur, we're going to put our hand on our page and we're going to trace it. Now you could paint your hand and do a hand print if you feel like getting messy today, but I'm going to trace my hand. And that way, in case you don't have paint, that's okay. So we're going to trace our hand. We're going to trace all the way around. You might need somebody to help you. And we're going to stop. We're not going to draw our wrist. We're actually going to arch it. This is going to be, we're going to flip our hand. So we traced it. Now let's flip it. We're going to add on our tail right here. These are our legs. And this is where our head and our neck is. So we're going to add our little spikes coming up. And you can make them as big or as small as you like. They're going all the way down. And we're going to put our eye, our mouth, our feet, our little toenails of our dinosaur. We can put some spots. And now we can go ahead and color it. We can give it some grass here. Let's go ahead and start to decorate our dinosaur. So I hope you had fun today making your handprint dinosaur. I had a blast doing it. It would have been even more fun to paint my hand, but I didn't want to get all messy. So I want to see what you made. Post it on the Winfield Public Library's Facebook page, and I hope you had a great time. I can't wait to see what you made. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up and comment below what you'd like to see in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to the Winfield Public Library's page, and if you enjoyed this art video, you can go check out my other art videos with Art with Miss Choate on YouTube. So if you enjoyed this, I have plenty of other dinosaur projects on there. So I hope to see you later. Bye!